Turkmenistan, there's been a huge pressure on the correspondence of independent media outlets, such as the Turkmen Service of Radio for Europe. And the authorities have even gone as far as getting rid of satellite dishes throughout the country under the pretext of embellishing cities, but obviously by so doing, depriving citizens of one more source of independent information.
In Central Asia, we have Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, which are ranked among the worst of the worst countries in freedom in the world, which means the 10 countries that have the worst score in the entire world.